Here at Once Films, we aim to be resourceful, efficient, and thoughtful, not only with the projects we make, but how we're making them. We spend so much time on the road, out on location, and have always talked about how we could be more agile in our work. To that end, we've wanted to start this project for years. The idea is to create a mobile studio that becomes a command center, if you will. It's an extension of our offices here at home and helps us save time, have access to the best tools, and be a comfy ride for those travel shoots. Like so many things recently, COVID-19 has played a factor in starting now. Not only did our team decide to make use of the lesson production time to retool and come out the other side much stronger, but we've also had a chance to research and investigate ideas and solutions. We're usually running like 100 miles an hour and rarely have time for this kind of project. First, we're starting with this new Mercedes Benz Sprinter 4x4. It's a 144-inch wheelbase, has a high roof, and it's the new design with a few more creature comforts. Makes it small enough to park in a normal lot, but also light enough to not require special licensing. Part of the plan is inspired by my work with Team Rubicon and their mobile command center. Like that, we'll have the ability to run an edit station right from the cab. The back area will have custom organization and hold all the gear we use regularly. Everything ready to go in literally a moment's notice. We're really gonna trick this out to make road travel more comfortable. We'll also have a new electrical system. So not only can we take our studio's solar energy on the road, but it'll also create its own power with panels on the roof. Finally, if you've seen any of our other rough and tumble vehicles, the Defender 90 or the 4Runner, it won't surprise you that we're installing a roof rack, beefy wheels, some other fun stuff that's gonna get us through any on or off-road challenge. So here we go. We're about to take this really awesome Sprinter and basically destroy it, but add some of our own flavor back in. In the end, it'll be a far cry from just a normal grip truck. And we're doing this ourselves, so yeah, there's gonna be some challenges. But we'll film it all, we'll have some fun, and probably learn a thing or two along the way. So let's dive in. Hit that subscribe button because we have more episodes coming your way.